That's a breaking news on the broadcast. Today is the fifth and final day of the SIT investigation into the death of an engineer in Sector 150 of Noida. The SIT is expected to submit its report to the government today. Now, over the past few days, the team questioned multiple departments, including the SDRF, Fire Disaster Management, and now the entire SDRF rescue team and police present at the scene were also interrogated. For more on this, I'm being joined by my colleague, CNN News 18's Simran Babbar. Simran, very good morning to you. Today is the final day and the SIT team, they have to submit their report. What are the kind of details which are emerging as of now?
Well, absolutely, as you rightly said, today is the final day when the SIT, the three-member SIT that was constituted by the Uttar Pradesh government to probe, in fact, the nitty-gritties and this matter of death of 27-year-old Noida software engineer Yuvraj Mehta. And after his car, Grand Vitara, actually plunged into the open ditch in Noida sector 150, this has, in fact, raised serious and severe questions across the departmental work of Noida Authority and several other agencies. Now, in this matter, today is the final day when the report will be submitted to the government by the SIT. Over the course of these 5 days, when the SIT has probed this matter, it has on many occasions also questioned many officials of different departments in the Noida Authority, including the traffic, cell, land, electric, and also, in fact, the PWD department as well. Apart from that, the Noida Authority officials have also been questioned on why exactly the work that was highlighted many a times by the residents of Sector 150 after the new town residential campuses were built here. It was not taken up by the authority. What are the explanations on that? All of that has already been, in fact, put in question. There are several also allegations on the authority that the residents have now raised. But apart from that, it is very important to note that the role and the responsibility of the SDRF, the fire department present at the time after they reached there on the rescue for Yuvraj Mehta, is also under the probe, because the fire department and the SDRF were technically responsible for, in fact, responding to that distress call after Yuvraj Mehta alerted his father and friend that he is at this point of time requiring help. And the SIT, after all of these 5 days, has visited the site twice and also the authority office thrice during these 5 days, and will be submitting the report shortly by the evening. Back to you.